Hey everyone, welcome back to Fat Bike Asinine. Woo! Man, we got a shitload of snow. We got a blizzard come through. It dumped 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. I literally couldn't even get out of my apartment complex's fucking driveway yesterday, so I couldn't do any fat biking. Oh, we made it! All right, this is gonna be crazy. Sliding around quite a bit, but still having fun. I got 2 psi in the front and about 5 psi in the back. Good times. Woo! If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we put out new videos. Man, we've been picking up a bunch of you guys lately. Very cool. Must be doing something right. Woo! Oh. Well, lucked out here that a looks like a maintenance truck drove down the road, so kind of packed down a little trail for me. Otherwise, this would pretty much be unrideable. Hey, let's see what happens if I go in the middle. I bet you I just slide out. No, oh, yeah, shit. Yeah, that was stupid. Okay, back to the right. Okay, so there you have it. Well, fat bikes definitely are for riding in the snow and on sand and stuff. It needs to be packed down or you're not going to be going anywhere. So remember that. Don't get so excited when you get a bunch of snowfall. Okay. Oh, of course. Hello. All right, guys. Thanks for coming out riding with me. Believe it or not, there is actually a point where there's too much snow to ride. That was not happening. I ate shit like 10 times in a row, and I think that's gonna about do it today. So thanks for coming out riding with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, go fat biking.